Barkbusters presents the Triumph Tiger Specific Kit Installation. To install the kit, you will need 4 and 5mm hex keys, T40 Torx key, 10mm wrench or socket, torque wrench is recommended. Cover the bike to prevent accidental damage or losing components. Remove original bar ends using the 4mm hex key. Remove the mirror with the Torx key. There could be 1 or 2 washers in the assembly. Make sure to retain all parts removed. Disconnect the wiring threaded through the guard. Grab the correct sidebar, 35mm M6 bolt, supplied bar end weight, and 2 washers. Lightly secure with hex key. Collect the pair of saddles and verify you've oriented them in the correct direction. Note the rings facing inward. Grab the socket head bolts, nuts, clamp connector, and button head bolt. Lightly tighten assembly, check alignment, and then tighten. Reinstall the mirror with the original hardware and the included spacer. Don't forget to plug in the connector. Cables can be rerouted if desired. Repeat installation for the other side. Check that the throttle is not binding and snaps back. Levers are not restricted, and check for clearance at full lock. Tighten all the bolts to the recommended torque, starting by the bar end, then following this sequence. To add guards, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Install the compatible guard of your choice on the backbone by aligning the holes in the guards with the pilot holes in the backbones, then secure with screws. Enjoy the ride.